I'm gonna try Eddie's. I just want to see which one's better. I don't know.
Okay everyone, we just got here to Mersin. It was about a 5-hour drive from Ankara. And now we're gonna check in. So we already checked in. It was pretty simple. The hotel's nice and it's also right by the water. We also have a balcony which gives us a partial view of the water and of the city as well. I think we're just gonna relax a little bit because we just drove 5 hours, but then we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do next and we'll show you in a bit. Okay, so we already took our little break and now of course we're going to give you our room tour. Here's Andrea.
This is our room. We're staying here for 2 nights. We paid 900 Turkish lira per night. We got a safe and other hotel amenities. This is our bathroom. The style reminds me of the 90s a little bit, with these colors like beige and tan. You got a shower with only like one side is covered, so hopefully this won't be a problem. Unique feature for the bathroom, there's a window that you can see into the bedroom this way. This is our mini bar. Here it includes mini bar that automatically charges you if you remove something. So we won't touch that, but we have some water, coffee, and tea here. The desk, of course, TV. We got a king-size bed with a view of the sea and the port. This is our hotel. That's the marina area. Right now, we're getting hungry, so we're gonna go out for dinner and some dessert.
Yeah, and by getting hungry, Andrea means she's getting a bit hangry, so we're gonna head out already. So as we mentioned, cats and dogs are everywhere in Turkey, and we found this cool place. It's a cat house, Kedi Evi, and there's a ton of cats here. I'm not sure exactly how it works, but it's an interesting place.
You see the holes? Yes, look at this one. It's tiny. I like cats, so I'm excited to see this. This is nice. It's a good safe place for them to sleep in, and then people come and feed them water.
It's also nice that as we're walking through here, they developed this area so people can walk, ride their bikes, and just it makes the whole place come alive instead of it just being a big parking lot.
It's like 50 degrees or something, but it's nice and sunny outside. So people are out today. I like coming here.
So another one of the reasons we like to walk everywhere is because we get to see more things as we're walking, seeing all these things that we wouldn't have seen otherwise. And it's only about a mile walk, so it's a good opportunity to explore more and to exercise a bit. Okay, we're almost at the place where we're gonna have dinner and some dessert, but just want to point out we are walking through Kushimoto Street, and we just saw a monument that's meant to commemorate the Turkish and Japanese friendship. Seems like a very hip location. We'll definitely have to come back and explore some more of it. Okay, so we finally made it to the place. We'll see if this is what we were looking for. Doesn't look as busy as some of the other places they recommended, but it smells pretty good.
It's so early. It's like 6 o'clock. People eat late here. So. All right, so we got our wraps. It's meat. I don't want to know what it is, if it's beef or lamb. I'm just gonna try it. I got it with spice and I'm already dropping it. Oh my gosh, I dropped a bunch. It's good. It actually tastes like ground beef. If we're still hungry, we'll order some more.
I think we may have to order more because it's pretty small.
I'm gonna add some lemon juice. Yes. I think I have to hold it like this because it's gonna keep falling.
Okay, so we definitely liked it. I ordered a second round because they were pretty thin and they were good. So I think we are going to wait for 2 more and then we'll head for some dessert. So the food was really good, but now we're gonna go for a walk so we can walk off some of what we ate. The mall itself is called Photo Mall. It's an open air mall and there's a lot of lights and many levels to it. We'll walk around a bit. We might not record too much, it's just a bunch of stores, but we will record our dessert. So we decided to go up this bridge, 1 because it has a ton of lights, and 2 because we just like to walk around. This really looks nice.
These walkways remind me of Vegas, and we have to cross these busy streets to get across to the shopping centers, so it's pretty busy here.
So we walked around a bit in the Forum Mall, and now we're in Kushimoto, and we're getting some atom. I think we're pretty close by.
This is the one Eddie got, the plastic atom, and I got the avocado one, and they filled it up to the brim. It tastes really good. The avocado is a very subtle flavor, so I really like it. I love avocados.
I got the atom. I think it's just a strawberry and banana mix. It seems very pink. Ooh. This is good. We wanted to try these because we heard they were similar to the muesli soup, which if you saw our Adana video, you would see that we really enjoyed those. I'm not sure which one's better, but I like both of them.
I'm gonna try Eddie's. I just want to see which one's better. I don't know. It's a little more tart. I stick with my avocado one.
Because Andrea tried mine, I had to try hers, and I'm actually surprised. It's not that I dislike avocado, but I don't really eat it with stuff, but it tastes really good actually. It almost tastes like a banana shake. So we're back in the hotel, but today we're going to call it a night early. As you can see, this is a really nice hotel, but tomorrow we'll show you more of that. We're gonna sleep early because we have a lot of things planned for tomorrow. See you then.